Energy is an ever-evolving force, timeless, ever-changing. Our story began in 1972. Ever since, we have been fueling countless of your moments every single day. We support the Greek economy from the very start. Our investment plan aims at a better future for all. We continuously contribute to the energy stability of Greece. We stand by the Greek society. We rise to the challenge of the constantly growing energy needs of our times. We care about the environment, and we are focusing on people's needs. We combine knowledge and growth. We lead the way with new, innovative solutions. We invest in new, environmentally friendly forms of energy. We provide more options, more alternatives. We care about our own family, our thousands of employees. They are our greatest inspiration. Energy is ever evolving. With the driving force of energy, we move forward into the future.